Setting your kids up for financial success. It is always a smart idea to teach your kids about saving and investing as early as possible. You want to ensure that your child has plenty of money to live out their dreams and one day be able to retire. You give your child the greatest chance at financial success by starting them off early. In the past, people could rely on Social Security and pensions to get them through retirement. Now, facing rising inflation, a job market that no longer offers pensions, and a Social Security system on the verge of bankruptcy, people know they must initiate their retirement planning much sooner than ever before. Helping your children begin a life of saving and investing for their future is something every parent must do. It is pretty easy if you use the following tips to execute a smart financial plan for your child. Start a mutual fund for your children. After the initial investment, most mutual funds will allow you to contribute as little as $25 each time you make a deposit. Encourage friends and relatives to make contributions to your child's investments in lieu of material gifts. Require your children to invest a percentage of any gift money they receive. Have them place 20% of all gift money in a mutual fund. Reduce the amount of money that is used to purchase gifts during the holidays. By investing half the amount you would spend on toys that are soon forgotten, you will be able to amass a substantial retirement account for your children. It is better to have stock in a sneaker company than a pair of sneakers that will be outgrown in a few months. The stock will last for decades. Make deposits automatically. When you have deposits automatically withdrawn from your bank accounts, it is easier to manage your money. Teach your children to live beneath their means. This is crucial for saving for your and your child's futures. You do not want to cripple your child's financial future by being dependent on them for money as you age. You also do not want to have your adult child unable to navigate the world of finance without receiving money from you. A vital lesson to learn is you cannot save anything if you spend everything. Use tax credits wisely. Every child aged 17 and under receives a $1,000 tax credit from the federal government. Dedicate this credit to the mutual fund each year, regardless of any other plans you have. Take advantage of tax-deferred state plans. Many states offer tax-exempt or tax-deferred programs for minors. Have your child start reading financial books, listening to financial podcasts, and watching financial television channels. This will expose your child to qualitative financial information at an early age. A simple investment of $100 a month over a 40-time period in a basic index fund will generate over $1 million